got this new light set up in the background, which is cool. I've also got a new light for my face here, because I've had the lights off so that you can see the ones in the background, and it was a bit too dull on my face. But yeah, I'm pretty psyched. I've also got myself, you can see this, just unplug it. Ooh, unplug it without breaking it. Got a new drawing tab. This is the Wacom Intuos Pro M. If anyone's interested in that, still getting used to it. I will do a little bit of artwork later on, I think maybe, if I get around to it. To show you how bad I am at doing artwork on this tab now. I finally got used to using the keyboard and mouse with Krita, and now I'm gonna throw it all, throw it in the trash and start again. But yeah, I'm hoping this is gonna be a little easier once I've got used to it. Anyway, let's jump in and see what we're gonna work on today. So we got here we go. The ability to unlock levels based on the number of stars required. Okay. So there's a few things here. One is that, so you gotta grey it out. This is actually quite a big bit of functionality. Right, we need a way of seeing how many stars we currently got, which we don't have at the moment. So I think if we go to the scenes, low select scene, what we got here was a menu HUD. Lives timer. And we've got, what's this? Alright, okay. Clear it. We've got the lives timer. I could actually put the stars in or something over here, I guess. So yeah, let's start there. Let's duplicate this. Why does it look like that? Why has it been like that? Okay, that's just why. Okay, so that's just an indicator to show that you... Oh, that's new. So you got a prefab and you add something new to it. There's a little plus here. That's cool. So we've got total number of stars here. Let's add... top right, so then when we resize it, it's not gonna go all over the place. Let's do that there. Switch them round. What? Okay. We'll override it. Yeah, sweet. So that should do it. So look at this. That's fine. Alright, cool, happy with that. Save that. So now we've got the stars, right? And stars total. So how have we done it with lives here? We've got a component on this. Or is it part of the menu? Just got the scriptables here. How are we going to do this? Well, we need a way of tracking total stars as well. Currently, we don't have that. I think the only thing we've got currently is... So how are we going to do that? My gut instinct is to like store all of the... Basically just traverse through all the different level saves and find out how many number of stars you've got for each one. That'd be the most guaranteed way to get it right, but that's going to be inefficient. If you've got 400 levels and every time you go to a different select screen, you have to recalculate how many stars you've got, opening 400 different files and checking them. It's going to be pretty slow, so we need to just have a running tally, really, at least when we're running. And then maybe on startup, when you open the application for the first time, it will recalculate all that stuff whilst there's a loading screen at the very beginning. Something like that. That would work. So how are we going to go about that? Right, we need a new data object. Create a new variables. Total stars. So total stars 0. We're going to use this. Definitely on this screen. In fact, what we're going to do, stars label, I'm going to get rid of. Get rid of it. And we're going to add new we'll move this over here, scale it up. Just don't matter, but we'll make that too as well. None of these are centered. That is really annoying. Supposedly they are. I'm not being funny, that is not centered to that. That'd be why. Just move these slightly. That looks right, doesn't it? Alright, save that. Get back out of here. So now we've got that. Yeah, they're all centered. Okay, so we've got that. We've got this star thing here. Right, so the first thing, let's get this updated properly. So we've got stars total, menu. banging this in the scripts. Put that in there. Just gonna rename that actually. How deep shall I make this? Let's call it HUD for now. And then we may split stuff out to like UI and other stuff like that, because we've got like play button that should be in the UI. Got menu HUD and HUD. There. Got two. Load save. I don't know if we're actually using this load save manager thing. Could well be. Okay. Right, HUD, star total calculator. Just make these changes. TMP. No, it says start. Start text. That's that. That should do it. Don't need that. That's unneeded. Start total calculator. Right now, I've got the HUD. Look at that. Scriptable int. And that's that. We save it. Apply all the overrides. Right, so now let's just play it. It should say 0. Just check that we are working right there. Wow. Stars. Okay, yeah, that's where I'm going wrong. Zero. Goes 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Sweet. Okay. So we've got that. Song's a bit boring. Let's put a different song on. Let's go for a different station. See what this one's like. So there we go. We got this updating on the fly. Got 0, countdown there. Need to make a little timer. And a heart. I might do that today actually. I might make a little heart, a little timer. I'm not happy with how big that is actually. Scale. I forget it does that. 1.8. It's a bit better. Alright, sweet. Right, so we've got that. We've now got the total scores. And it's getting added up. Next we need to calculate this based on all of the information that we currently have. So we don't want to troll through all the levels and calculate stars. So all we should have to do is, still not the way I want to do this, but if score log data.score is less than score, okay, then we do stuff. If load data or data, load data, the number of stars, sun, difference, diff stars equals just update this value. So we've got 1. If we've already got scored 1 on this, if we scored 1, and then we get 2 this next time round, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we add 1 to the total value of number of stars, total stars. All right. I think that should be it. That only happens if the score is less than that. Okay. So look at the level data. I want to get rid of that. See users, app data, local low, play data, delete that. Lives and lost lifetime. Lives, 3, lost lifetime. Lives. Oh yeah, that's right. So this should work fine, right? Go back to the app data. See. Users. Right, I'm gonna delete all this information. So now I should have lost all my stars. I have 0. Play the first level. Trying to get that purple on it. 3 stars. Why is that stopped? Whoa. Aha! That'll be why. And we do data, total stars. Okay. Ah, that is not right. Okay, yeah, that is incorrect. Because the first time round, load data is null. That's the wrong way around, isn't it? Let's not do that. How do you use ternary operator in C#? Is it the same? Conditions, consequent, alternative. Yeah, I just did it the wrong way around. So it's fine. Condition is that. Do that. Else. Current number of stars less than the blah blah. Then we go. Start with the level select. Here we go. Level 1. Three stars, 158. Bad boy. That's pretty close as well, man. I'm really good at getting that pink colour. Pinky purple. 3 stars. Let's go again. 0 stars. 3. No, I don't want this one. Oh, I've only got 1 life left. Now level 2. 0. Still at 0. Need to try and get some stars, but not loads. Level 2 is really hard, I just remembered. 1 star, so I should have 4? Now let's try and get 3. I don't think I've ever had 3 stars on this one, but we might make a bump it by just going around a few times. I got 3. 6 in total. Minus 3 lives. What? What's this now? Please explain how that's just happened. Minus 3 lives. I had 1. I was on 1 life. How about minus 3 now? Did I do that more times than I thought? It's set 4 minutes. That's nuts, man. I don't want that. For, not 4 minutes. How is it 4 minutes? Please explain. Some whole lot of weirdness going on right now. 120 seconds isn't 4 minutes. It should be 2. So there's definitely some bugs with my lives functionality, it seems. Right, how am I calculating that? Do lifetime span, max time of time span dot from seconds, life add seconds dot value. Alright, 120. Some weirdness going on. Some real weirdness. That star functionality works though, which is cool. Right, anywho. Okay. Can I rename this? Okay. Right, we're gonna go in here. Right, level select button. Live requirement. No, it's not. Live requirement. Yeah. Yada yada yada. Public. Oh, just lives. Do this on update. We don't really want to update this, but that's fine. I like setting this false and active constantly every frame. Should use an event really, but this is a quick and dirty approach. Just get this working, see if it's right. Oh man, I'm super tired today. Super tired. Okay, not ideal, but we should. Let's get rid of that. I don't like that. Don't need any of that. So if lives is 0, then make this false. Make it deactivate it. Jeez, I can't even talk today. What is going on? Deactivate it. Alright, I should do it. Level select button. Come on, come here. We got this thing here. Let's go update this. Lives. Try again. Lives. Where's the color? No. FFFF. 50. Image. Color. Don't need to do like that. What's it kicking off about? Type on installation name, age gonna be fine. Using start private void start image equals find. So we happy with that? Does that contain it takes one argument? Alright, what does it take? Let's have a little look. Color equatable. RGB. RGB. Color dot from something. We just put value at 31. 0031. HSV is better. I think. Just. Yeah. Where was it? Wow, where's it gone? Color. Dot. HSV. Hue. Saturation value. So it's just 0, 0, 31. Oh no, that's not right. That's the other thing as well. I forgot to do that. I've just done that wrong. Let's go back to this color. HSV. It was 0.31, wasn't it? Really? Okay, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, it's not my favorite, but it will do. I want to start with it white. Save that. Let's have a little look. Zero, zero, 100, 1000. Oh, 1. It's really tripped me up going from this, like, Unity displays it in. Right, okay. Have a select button. Yeah, live scriptable. So it says now. Okay. Alright. I don't know how I've ended up with 8 minutes. It makes no sense at all. It's really, wow. Oh, because I've set it completely inactive, so they don't even show up. That is not what I wanted to do. I wanted enabled. Enabled. It's also got a button component. button. Yeah, okay. How funny. Equals get component button. So we disable the button if we've got no lives. And we also change the color. That to that. There we go. Sweet. It's a bit weird, that text, when it's on that dark background. Seems alright, actually. Seems okay. Alright, so we've got that bit down. There's definitely something going wrong with our lives. Lives functionality. Yeah, it will not let me click, which is good, because I got no lives. Shouldn't be allowed to. Let's just go in and fiddle with the old app data. I'm gonna have to start adding in some like cheats so I can just fake all this stuff rather than having to go in and twiddle with the save files, which is not what I want to be doing. Player data. Can we do it? Save it at 3. Let's go. Right, we've got 6 lives. Does that always look like this? Why is that colour? Okay, so we got... That's fine for now. We got... Okay, we got 3 lives. We're gonna lose a life. Now we can't click on any. That's good. Why did I not reduce the timer on this? I'm going to do that. Got 1 life. We lost it. Hey, click it again. Right, so that's that bit done. That's cool. I did 2 different things here though. I should have checked it in before when I had This is cool. Cool. So we should get to 3 lives and stop. Sweet. So we're at 3 lives, that's the max. We can't go lower than 0 now, which was spoke before. Got six total stars. Lost a life. Lost 2 lives. Lost 3 lives. Can't click. That's perfect. Yeah, buddy. Cool. So that's that bit done. Got 6 total 6 total stars. Now let's try doing well on this one, right? So we're gonna get that green thing. It's quite a light green, wasn't it? We're nearly there. Is it there? We've not got 9 stars now. Awesome. I'm smashing this, by the way. 3 stars on all 3. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. What I'm gonna do? Bring that back to 120 again. Then I did some moving around with some things. Get add assets, scripts, HUD. HUD. Whoa, what? Okay. A second. I'll just let it do it how it wants to do it. So I added total stars there. Is that it? That was the whole thing. Wow. Rename. There you go. Automatically picked it up anyway. Okay, get. HUD element. Ensured that There is still an issue with this, my date timestamp somewhere along the way here. So let's have a little look here. What we've got. Also, we want a lives requirement. Let's have a look at what we said here for the grayed out. What type of level select screen would be possible? How are we going to go about doing this? Didn't mean to do that. Don't know how to design this. Like, should I have? Obviously, when you have no lives, it's all grayed out, right? What about if we have? So let's go on the right scene for starters, right? Level select scene. If you've got, let's go here. Let's go in the button. Let's go on these level select buttons. Right. So what if star? Oh wow, star 3 is the middle one. That's annoying. So we'll have star 3 not appear if we don't have enough. If we don't have enough thingies, lives, not live stars. We don't have enough stars. Oh, I'm too tired for this. If we don't have enough stars, then we should just show a number there instead for the requirement of the stars. We could do it with the actual name of the thing. I don't want to do it. I could make it like an empty game object that groups the stars and have this like star score. Like a star score. That's a weird name. And then star requirement. Yeah. And have one of them, have only one of them active at one time, basically. Yeah, in fact, that's what I'm going to do. Create. Alright, and then just copy one of those, put it in. Star image. Okay. What I'm doing is let's take the colour red. Can I do it as a ready? So the button is already red, so it makes it hard. I don't know. Those colours are horrible. Well, let's just leave that right there. Hey, alright, let's just leave it white for now. Let's just save that. I want to copy this as a menu HUD. Copy. Can't believe how tiny that is. Wow. Okay, we got a rect transform. Let's move this about. Let's move it about. Oh. Bold, font size, middle, wrapping, and no bold. Nope.
Hello everyone. In this video today I'm going to go over the new text overflow controls in Text Mesh Pro. So I'm just with that, text controller. So we're going to start with the top one. So the text overflow controls work in conjunction with word wrapping. And right now on this top text I have word wrapping disabled and the overflow controls are here. I'm still doing some layout work on the editor and using Unity 4.6 with the new GUI text mesh mode.
I want it to scale down basically.
Container that the truncating, okay? The effect would be.
Don't want that.
I guess I could change it to clipping, but the whole thing disappears as we can. So ellipses are basically these three dots that appear when.
No, don't want that.
Second line now because we have. Okay. By the way, word wrapping's enabled here, right? If we had truncate on, the text overflow would basically.
Don't want that either. I want it to shrink, dynamically shrink. No, that's not what I want.
Now masking is instead of being whatever goes outside the margin area. Okay, so that then my next choice is the element from that cube. So
Those are none of the options that I want. What I want is it to auto size. Boom, there you go. Yeah, here we go. I don't know, 50? The next one, 20. Compress character width up to this value before reducing font size. Okay, so now if I made this 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Right, now I just need to mess with the rect size to be what I want it to be. Ooh. So if I say 333. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, okay. Yeah. Okay. I think that's right now. So that's that bit, and then we need to create another empty one. We'll call this, what do we call this? Star score. Just do that up there. In fact, nope, there. These three need to go inside. Star invisible. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, okay. I'll finish my beer. Okay, here we go. So, I think I'm happy with that bit. We got that. So now on the level, so button. We're gonna have like total. Yeah, let's go. Add a new component. Star requirement. Let's get rid of that. Go to assets. What are we gonna call this? This is gonna be star score image. Yeah, call it that. Public. Star requirement. Total stars. And in fact, why does it not like that? Okay. It's incorrect anyway. Public int star requirement. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't know what I just did there. Toggled instant replay on or off there. Anywho, I don't think I need to change that. Star requirement. And basically, if star requirement more than total stars dot value. Otherwise, but it's the opposite, right? Do that, and then do the opposite thing here. That one false. Make this one true. And that should do it, right? So we also need to make the actual game object. Stop doing that, please. Using private button, call it the button, and then this. Button dot enabled. False. And then the opposite. Alright, so we got if the star requirement is higher than total number of stars, then we want to. Hey Nix. Ah yeah. No, not quite. Thanks man. Light would be pretty cool though. Although I don't know. I suppose I could have a light in this. I should look into that actually. Yeah, adds a little bit of ambience, I think. The only problem is that I got those, and then they, like when I've got the light on, it's like the main light, you can barely see them. So then I had to have the lights off, and then you couldn't see my face. So I had to then buy another light to shine on my face. I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to do a little bit more artwork as well soon, because I got one of these drawing tabs. Just a Wacom Intuos one. Oh, Alexa control, that's cool. I've seen a few people that can they've done some like Twitch chat ones. How you can get it so your Twitch chat can control the lights. Yeah, I think this is an Intuos Pro M, I think it is. I'm pretty awful with it actually. I'm actually better with the mouse at the moment because I'm so not used to using like a stylus and a tablet. But I'll get the hang of it. How's things with you anyway? Another select button. Star requirement. Yeah, definitely difficult. Total stars. Started using all these scriptable objects. Oh, nice. What project do you start on? So that's that bit. They've all got no star requirements at the moment, so if I play, it should just be the same as it was. Cool, cool, survival one. Like 2D, 3D? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Three, 6, 9, 12. I'm gonna say with this one, you need to have at least 15. 3D, I guess. Oh, they all say 3. It's not quite right. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty hard mode doing 3D stuff. I think that's why I started with this 2D stuff, just to ease myself in. Also, the artwork seems to just take so much longer to make. Like, creating 2D art is... Even a scrub like me can make it. But getting involved in Blender just seems so difficult to make anything nice anyway. I suppose if you can go for that low poly look, it's not too bad. But like detailed 3D models, it's just so difficult. Saying that, I've had troubles with 2D art where I've wanted it to look 3D, and in my head I was like, I could just do this in Blender and render it, and then just take that as the image. Oh yeah, yeah, definitely texturing's pretty rough. Okay, let's have a look at. Why isn't this getting updated properly? Oh, I know why. Because I need that other. Oh, that makes sense. So you're actually taking the 3D models and then just rendering them to an image. Yeah, especially if you've already got you've already got the models. Like in an RTS, you'd already have the actual 3D models for like a building. You may as well just use that image and then, rather than having to try and redo one. Yeah, it totally makes sense. And you can just spruce it up a little bit with like an image editing software. Um, Star requirement text. Save that. Star requirement text dot text. What? Star. That should do that. So now, so the only thing missing now is, I think I want it grayed out at least a little bit. Where's that other? Eek. Ah. Um. Take the image and color it whatever color I want. So let's see if no, let's go with that. Let's go with that. See what happens. So we got it's not quite right. We have got an image on here, right? So we got that image. Okay, component image. Am I doing it the wrong way around? This is. I don't like those comments. So start requirement is that. Ah, but it's because of the ordering of these two components. Hmm. I think I don't know if this is the right way to do this. I know it's inefficient. I should really have an event that responds to getting new stars. So when the total number of stars increases, an event's fired, and this then picks up. Oh, the stars increased. Is my star requirement now lower than the new total stars? And do it that way rather than constantly polling every frame to see if there's more stars than my requirement. Because now I've got clashes between these two components. Right, let's just split that off. Oh, not that one. Total stars. There, right. Live requirement. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But they're in different scenes is the only thing. And I don't have this scene loaded at the time, which is... So I guess I could do it on scene load. Just query it once. Saying that, I'm not actually that concerned about performance right now. Yeah, let's see if I just get this working. Dot enabled equals. Do this here. Shouldn't make a difference, but let's do it that way anyway. So, alright, let's go with that. Oh no, it's still running. Yeah, it's only on the level select screen. It's not like there's much of anything else going on really. So fingers crossed. This should. Oh, that looks awful. I don't like how dark that is. Let's modify that color. Try 0.68. Alright, let's try that color. 0. Try that. Yeah, that's a little bit more subtle. Maybe slightly darker. Maybe 0.54. Name to write file. Retry? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So these ones you can't click yet. I wonder what happens when you combine. So if I lose some lives, 2 lives, 1 life, 0 lives. So they're a bit darker. Do I like that though? I don't know. I might like that. I think I'll change it because I'm not a huge fan of that particular color. Where's the life requirement? Sure, she'll make it so this is an actual color from the inspector. In fact, I will do that. Using the American spelling. Must not do that. Okay, level select button, go into it. Where's the disabled color? Disabled color. Yeah, that is slightly darker. I think if you've got no lives, it should be darker. Oh, that ain't right. Let's have a look again. There's 0 alpha. There we go. Yeah, so if I've got no lives, they're really dark. These ones. I might even. Yeah, I'm going to change this, in fact. Let's go back in here. And make it so I can actually see it. And then on the, what about changing the color completely? What do you mean the star, the star as well? This, like this bit? Yeah, I've only been changing the actual button itself, not the, well, I can't even think of the words now, not the, these star bits as well. Guess I could do that. Right, let's save that a sec. I want to disable this level name as well on that star requirement, but this is starting to get a lot of game objects in here, which I'm not a huge fan of. Button level name. Set active is that thing. Let's have a little look at this. Yeah, okay. I think that's quite clear. You can't play these yet, and you can't play any, so you can't play any of these. These ones are grayed out slightly more than these ones here, which I don't think actually matters really. Yeah. I'm going to do the same with this one as well, with the separate the private stuff. Alright, so let's see. Let's have a look. Let's give it a quick go. Okay, did it again. Yeah, let's just that. Right. Life requirement. Max alpha, there we go. Save. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm happy with that. Yeah. So now each of the levels have both life requirement and a star requirement. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, alright. Sweet. I don't think I'm going to do much artwork this time. I'm getting a bit tired today, so I'm going to jump off for a little bit. Next, cheers for joining, man. Hopefully be on either tomorrow or Wednesday. Hopefully get a bit more artwork done. I'm itching to get on with my tablet. Might do a little bit of practice between now and then because, yeah, I really need to get used to using it. So I might do a couple of little practice bits of artwork before I commit to do anything for the actual game. Anyway, I think we can get this checked in. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's close that off, save it, and I'm gonna close this. Okay, sweet. Push that up. Alright, that's awesome. Let's have a look at Trello again. So, add the ability to unlock levels based on the number of stars required. So, graying it out, we did number of stars over the level button. We also did that. We didn't do that bottom bit. So, I'm happy with that. We've done that and that. Sweet. And that's just done for the day. So, alright, sweet. Cheers for joining, guys. Great speaking to you again, Nix. And I'll see you next time. Night, dude.